I got Ada voice. Well, it's a punishment for me.
Well, at least we get to hear it. At least we get to hear it.
Oh, you don't want me to mute? Ada, that's very kind of you to say.
Oh my god, I think I just forgot to breathe for 5 seconds just now.
Ada, don't forget to breathe, IRyS. Would be a shame if something happened to you.
Wowie zowie.
I need a voice pack. I know, I need that KU100. Was it 1000 or 100?
Only 100.
Oh!
Woof.
Okay. IRyS, calm down. IRyS,
Yeah.
calm down. Calm down, okay? We don't want you getting banned from the sounds that are escaping your mouth.
What? Nothing is escaping my mouth. It's Fauna's fault.
You have to focus, IRyS. Focus on
We
the
love a
joking.
fighting couple.
Yeah. I didn't know you were that weak to Ada voice.